SGNJ Sugarcane Stubble Cutting Machine is foremost equipment for sugarcane cultivation. It used immediately after harvesting, and prior to soil becoming dry. Tractor and PTO-operated disc-type stubble shaver, available with an adjusting sheet, to control the depth of operation. Overall, width 1,300 mm and working width 1,200 cm. Can choose to install the fertilizer box high quality, boron, steel, reversible blades. These self-sharpening blades cut the stubbles below ground level, suitable for different sugarcane planting systems. Heavy duty gearbox have better performance and reliability.